channel. Today I'm going to be doing this emerald green, very dramatic eye. It is such a beautiful shade. It is by Too Faced, this eyeshadow I'm wearing. That's the star of the show. I'll list some dupes in the description bar down below, so if you don't have this one, you could probably check those ones out and get a very similar look. So if you guys want to see how I got this face today and this eye, and want to chit chat a little bit with me, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my brows off camera, and I used the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 3. And I used to prime my eyes, the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. And now I'm going to set my eyelids with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. So to start off this look, I'm going to go into Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie, which is this one right here, as my transition shade with my Morphe E27. Now I'm going to go into Note to Self by ColourPop with Morphe M433. And I'm going to put this right into my crease. And just a little bit above. So now for my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, I'm going to go into the shade here, Low Blow, which is this one right here. Taking a little bit on the same brush. And starting in the outer part of the crease. Just circular motions and moving it back and forth. So how has your new year been going for you guys? Mine has been alright. I've been posting quite a bit on my photography Instagram, which is linked down below. It's Sprigs and Twigs Photography. I've been getting a lot of likes on there, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. It's mostly nature photography. And now I'm going to go into Cayenne, this more red-brown shade, and staying more on the outer corner. And working it in just a little bit to blend it. Now I'm going to use my MAC 221 brush, and I'm going to go into Fudge, knock off the excess, and start going into my outer corner. Outer part of my crease, just deepening it up quite a bit. So I got this new background. It costed me more than I was hoping, but I got it from Fabricland. It's like a kind of like a crushed velvet. It's like a champagne color. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. So yeah, today is my 20th birthday. Probably if you looked at my channel or know me at all, you wouldn't have guessed it because I don't look 20, but I am. And today is January 31st when I'm filming this, if you wanted to know. Now I'm just going to blend it with the Morphe brush that we were using earlier. No extra product on it. Going in a little bit to Note to Self. Just blending it a tiny bit. Going back into Fudge, just for a tap. Just placing it on the outer V. So ever since I saw the ABH Subculture palette and there was a shade in there called Throne, I've been dying to find a dupe for that because I really don't want to buy the full palette. It is one of the most gorgeous emerald foresty green or metallic greens I've seen. So lucky enough, I've had something very similar in my own collection. And this is from the Too Faced Everything Nice palette. You can't get this anymore, I'm sorry. This shade right here called Too Glam, and it is so super pretty and it's very pigmented. So I'm going to be using that for my lid shade today. But first I want to use my NYX glitter primer just to get most pigmentation and make it stay on all day. So I'm going to put it on my lid. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. smudge brush. I use it for packing on shadows though. So I just went into the Glam shade. I'm just gonna put it on my lid. You guys see how easy that was? That went on super easy. Holy, look how pretty that is. So now we have the green on our eyes. I'm gonna go back into Fudge and just deepen the outer corner. I'm using an MB27 by Morphe. I'm also gonna go into the Naked Heat Palette Ashes, which is a dark purple. I'm just gonna go a little bit into Chocolate Moon, which is just this black that has a little bit of glitter in it, which is kind of weird, but whatever. I think I'll just dust off. I just need something a little bit darker in this outer corner since this green is so dramatic. The colors in the outer corner are looking a little bit too light. Now I'm just gonna blend the edges here. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of the Glam on the same brush and just try to blend it a little bit together. So I'm back. So I just tightlined my eyes with a black eyeliner. So I did a little bit of a liquid liner with the e.l.f. black liner just so I could put on these lashes. And the lashes I'm wearing are the Ardell natural ones. So now we're going to move on to the face. So for primer, I'm going to start off with the Professional by Benefit, and then I'm going to use a Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Primer. So I'm going to put the Benefit one where my pores are their largest. And then we're just going to take this one. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 110, and I'm going to mix it with my Body Shop Shade Adjusting Drops in Lightning. I'm just going to use like this little plastic palette thing, and then I'll take about 1 drop, maybe 2. I'll do about 2 drops, and then I'm going to mix it together. Oops, this is a swatch from my mixing beforehand. Let me just wipe that off quickly here. So now we have our mixture here. I'm just going to grab my Beauty Blender and pounce it on my face. Did you guys see the super blue blood moon this morning? I tried, but there's too many clouds in the sky and it totally disappeared. It was only visible for about like 5 to 10 minutes. But yeah, we kind of have like a blizzard going on here. And lots of snow and clouds and wind and stuff, so it just didn't work out, sadly. And now for concealer, I'm going to be using my Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. And I'm going to use this one, which is the Corrector shade in Peach Light. And I'm going to be using this just underneath my eyes, where the darkest part of my eyes are, or my under eyes are. So then over top, I'm going to use the color Buttercream. And then just taking my Beauty Blender, just blending it all out. And I'm just creating like a sharp edge here on my eyeshadow with the concealer. So I'm just going to set my concealer with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and this e.l.f. blush brush. And then I'll just do the rest of the face with a bigger powder brush. So now I'm going to bronze my face with the Hoola Light Bronzer by Benefit and the Morphe M529. Now for blush, I'm going to take Tarte Celebrated because it's my birthday. Time to celebrate. And then for highlight, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop on a Morphe M501. I'm going to take Jaclyn Hill's Trick, which is a beauty blender and a highlight. And just to effortlessly blend into the skin. So now we're going to work on the lower lash line. We're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that came with the Modern Renaissance palette. And so just any like soft bullet brush, pencil brush will work. Going into our first shade, which was Note to Self by ColourPop. Working from outer to pretty much inner corner. Taking a little bit of Top Notch, which is this shade right here by ColourPop, and putting that on the outer part. And then Fudge by ABH, just on this outer corner, the very edge of it. Just connecting the two. And then just blending it right underneath here. And then I'm going to take some Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm going to put this not on my inner tear duct, but on the inner corner. And just fading it into the lower lash line. I don't want to go all the way across, just this inner corner part here. And then just taking your highlighter and a pencil brush, E36 by Morphe, and just putting it on the inner corner. Just to brighten that up. A little bit on the brow bone. And then just put on mascara on your lower lash line, and then we'll go on to lips. Okay, so for my lips, I'm wearing the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. So I thought I should wear it because obviously birthday, whatever. And it goes well with this look because it's a little bit on the cool tone side, but not too cool. I really like it. So guys, that is my finished tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love this emerald green. It shifts in the light and it's so beautiful and metallic. And so if you don't have the Subculture palette or this palette to get that green shade, I know there's a Makeup Geek shade that I'll leave right here as a dupe, or I'll put up a picture. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!